You have been faithful to the course. We expect that not less than what you guys have agreed. Congratulations for what you did yesterday. I know you were there up to late. We want to, again, to ask you guys to make sure you push, because again, now you have become more of our police officers who are taking, the duty on behalf of the counties as well from the government. We want to, again, I want to say this as a chairman, again, at the COG, as the chairman of resource mobilization. Those resources you guys are looking at, how we wish that the counties would get them on time. The only thing I want to say is that, Umtata, you know, you're a fighter in those courts, and that's why you could be better than other lawyers. But again, we respect.
Please proceed.
Yes, for sure.
Please proceed carefully.
He did go to School of Law, but he does it very well, Mr. Chairman. We must, where credit is due, let us give it. But Chair, I want to thank you again. We are ready to appear before you and another committee of Parliament. I've been in Parliament. We have grilled people. We have summoned people. Therefore, when I'm being summoned, I'm happy to appear before this committee. There is nothing about it. I'm ready to be here and answer all questions and account for every penny which comes to Kisii. Thank you.
And as I allow Senator Onyonka to close, how many members of National Assembly do you have in Kisii County?
Constituents, we have 9, Chairman.
And there are others who are nominated from Kisii?
Yes.
I want to send you to your members of National Assembly. Go and have a conversation with them. Because right now, they are rejecting the push by Senate to bring road maintenance levy fund of 10 billion to county governments. It is an issue not just of principle, but compliance with the Constitution. Because roads, you have national roads and county roads. All Kenyans pay towards the road maintenance levy fund. And the national government should have its share. County government should also have their share. The members of National Assembly are ganging up to say that if they cannot get the 10.5 billion out of RMLF, which should be channeled to KERA, of course the Senate says the money should go directly to counties. They are saying it should go to KERA, which they control. They're saying if they can't get the 10.5 billion, counties are not going to get the conditional grants. Out of the conditional grants includes 40 billion of loans and grants. FLOCA money is there. NAV-CP money is there. Some counties are getting resources for water improvement. There are urban improvement loans and grants there. So please go talk to your members of National Assembly and remind them that their constituencies exist in the county. Whatever comes to the county does not go to another universe. It is going to benefit their constituents. It's extremely untidy that the Senate would be fighting for counties and the members of National Assembly, who some of whom aspire to be governors, would be fighting for money to go to other national government entities. I think that's a message I want to leave you with.
Chair, because you've just on your last comment, you know, until one is a governor, you know, I was a member of Parliament. We were selfish at that time. We will oppose anything going to the counties. In brief view that there is a lot of theft in the counties. But indeed, as you put it, when you get yourself there, that's the time you realize the reality comes to you. What were you opposing? Basically, as you put it, roads, they are either national or counties. And Umtata here, that's where you can be able to help us in either getting the interpretation of the law.
No, but you came with 2 lawyers here, including a legal advisor. Why do you need Umtata's help?
Umtata, you know, does it for bono.
There was litigation.
The government.
There was litigation on that issue, which somebody initiated, and it's the Council of Governors which compromised it.
Yes.
somebody is going to litigate that matter. And it's a council of government which compromised it for a low-hanging fruit. Instead of going for the whole tree, they took a fruit.
And that's on record.
And abandoned the tree.
We will look at it.
Governor, again, you're accusing other people, and yet you guys agreed on some settlements so that you can look good in the eyes of the government.
For sure,
That was the
Chair,
thing.
even when we are seated here, by the time you'll get us in as a governor, Oma Bay soon, all the Nyonka in the future, if he becomes the governor of Kisii, all Tharaka-Nithi as a governor, that's the reality will down on you on how the counties are and how difficult you'll be able to deal with the issues as they are. But I'm happy that you have been true to the spirit of devolution as a Senate. Thank you.
Senator Onyonka, you could give us a...
Chair, I wouldn't want to extend this.